Hello guys, welcome back to Hoteel Learnings. In the previous video we have seen about what is JRF, what is the eligibility exam pattern of JRF and what is the major subject groups for JRF. If you have missed out our previous content, just refer our page. The main theme of this video is to motivate yourself as an aspirant. This video can't give marks, but it definitely helps you in your situations and mind stability that will help to achieve good score in exams. Then coming to the first thing we must do is to have self-confidence and desire to achieve our target. Whether you are brilliant or poor in studies, it doesn't matter when you are confident in yourself and you have the desire to achieve. If your friends are teasing you about your preparation and criticizing you, you should never lose your confidence and don't blame yourself. But instead take them as inspiration and motivate yourself and show them how hard you can work and achieve your goal. If you fail once, it doesn't matter. Try again and again until you reach your goal. So make up your mind, motivate yourself and start studying today. The next thing is know your exam syllabus and exam pattern. Whether you are preparing for ICAR JRF or any other competitive exam, you must know the syllabus of the exam. You can check the syllabus on the official websites related to the particular topic. The next thing is to create a proper plan. First go through the syllabus for the exam. Allow the time to the topics based on their weightage. Give priority to the more weightage topics and less importance to the less weightage topics. Next, you should give priority to the topics which are difficult but are more weightage. This way you can be stress free and you can easily finish rest of the easy topics. But if you are still finding it difficult, you better to leave it and go for the next topic. Next up is make a short and a relevant notes. If the topic is difficult to remember, it is better to prepare a short note and making a complex topic into simple digestible information. My personal suggestion is you better complete all the notes in a single notebook because it helps to save time from searching for the different topics in different books. If the topic is easy and rememberable, you can just note the important points and side headings. Remember, note making is an important skill. You can develop this skill by writing or note making regularly. Then finding a good mentor or coaching institute. Nowadays, there are many good coaching institutes and good mentors available for any exam preparation. If it is affordable to you, you can go for it. But if you can't afford the cost, my personal suggestion is YouTube can be one of the best coaching center. If you have complete a topic, you should be thorough with that topic. For that purpose, you can solve more question papers. You can practice bits on the particular topic. There are many materials and books are available in the market or in the online stores and many websites for particular questions. You can try solving various mock tests to strengthen your concept. And the next one is manage your time in exam. If you are still studying BSc, you can manage the time according to your studies until the final exam. Every person in the world has 24 hours. It doesn't matter how much time you are spending for the preparation. What matters the most is how efficiently you are using the time and how productive you are. Managing your time in exam is also one of the important things. Don't waste your time during the exam. And revision before the exam. It is a key step. You should make sure you have enough time for revising the topics, your notes, the important points you have noted before the exam. If you follow these steps, it will help you in cracking any exam. Focus on the 8 steps and you will be more confident in the new situation that you have not before. These tips are collected from JRF aspirants, PhD scholars, senior professors and higher other authorities in different sectors. And ultimately cross your fingers, wait for the results. Practice like you have never won and perform like you have never lost. Refer the page Hoteel Learnings to find more information. Please share your feedback with us. Like, comment, follow, share with your friends. Stay tuned. Hoteel Learnings. Bye guys.